Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to transfer your Wix website to Editor X. So if you created your Wix site and now you want to edit or customize your Wix website with Editor X, follow these easy steps to easily do it. First of all, log into your Wix dashboard and here click on your current website name and click on go to all sites, and here you'll find all of your created Wix stores or sites. Now just click on these site actions, and as you can see currently here is no option to edit with Editor X. So to get the option to transfer Wix to Editor X, all you have to need, open a new tab and simply type here Editor X and search for it, and then open the first link and you will directly jump into the official Editor X website, and here click on login. All you have to need, enter here the email address you used to create your Wix website. So sign in here using your Wix login credential. So I've created my Wix with my Google. So here's I'm clicking on continue with Google and selecting my Google account. Once you successfully signed to your Editor X account using your Wix login credential, here select a category. So I'm selecting here, I'm a freelancer who will be building your website. I'm selecting myself and clicking on get started. And I'm selecting here blank canvas. Okay, once you've done all of this process, now go back to your Wix site dashboard and reload your site dashboard. And now, for example, I want to edit or transfer this Wix website to Editor X. To do that, I'm going to again clicking on site settings or action. And here now we can see the rebuild on Editor X option is showing up. So now just click on rebuild on Editor X and your Wix site will be transferred to Editor X. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.